On May 19, 2012, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder and director of Facebook, got married. He currently has a net worth of around $18 billion, or at least he had. Unfortunately, Zuckerberg got married in California, which is a community property state. Now, maybe he's only worth half that. Now, courtesy of the robber baron state of California, he may only be worth $9 billion. Let's hope to God that he signed a prenuptial. So-called community property laws, for those who don't know, mean collectivist property laws or communist property laws. This abomination of a legal system was inherited from Mexico and currently exists in 9 states, although God only knows why. So-called community property rights are an attack on individual rights and an attack on property. It means you're coerced into sharing everything. The old justice-based concept of what's yours is yours and what's mine is mine pretty much gets killed off. And nowadays, even people who specifically reject marriage and just choose to live together frequently get roped into community property tyranny. This even includes people with clear, valid prenuptial agreements. One result of this evil communist ideal and legal system is love dies. People who get married under it immediately come under brutal attack. Love, friendship, and affection are instantly placed under immense pressure. If a rich person and a poor person get married in one of these loathsome community property states, the relationship right away becomes one of prostitution, whether either party knows it or admits it or not. There's a radical transfer of wealth which converts the rich person into a John and the poor person into a whore. And both parties always quietly know this. Zuckerberg's wife quietly knows she can steal $9 billion at will. And so general misery is usually the result of romantic partnerships in community property states. As usual, the welfare state is a nightmare for all, hurting us in countless ways we don't even know about. Now, many people will say that they don't want to sign a prenuptial, that it's like planning for marriage failure, and that it partially creates marriage failure. They say that prenuptials destroy love. But nothing could be further from the truth. Unless you personally draw up your own marriage contract, the state will draw one up for you, and it won't be good. And this is true even if you never read the state marriage contract, even if you don't know anything about it. Far better to draw one up yourself, hopefully based upon mutual respect and a sharing of love and sex and affection and psychological support, but not money. Marriage is a personal and emotional partnership. It is not a business partnership. You hopefully have a spiritual bond with your partner, not a commercial bond. The fact is, community property laws, meaning Marxist, Leninist, communist laws, are just one more way the welfare state destroys human life, human freedom, and human happiness.